Hello, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another stream by Gift. Just started a little bit late today. I mean, we had a pretty nice move. Was at 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Nice little 40 pip run up, but I catch it today. It is what it is. But I was looking at the charts before I went online. Obviously, the weekly is looking good. Like, look at that week. We could easily test back up here. But when you go to the daily, it seems like we kind of topped out at this 19 or 1795 level. 4 hourly, yeah, 4 hourly is pushed up bullish. I feel like we're gonna continue going up to that level, 94, 95 level. But I also do think that that'll be the top. It is FOMC minutes today, so we'll get there. But I do like a long here actually. So let me get this recording going. Weekly, we can see it's pretty bullish with the big wick from last week. Daily, we've kind of topped out and in the range, but I do think we're going to reach the top end of the range. 4 hour has flipped bullish. The 1 hour looks pretty bullish as well. 30-minute, we got a nice little pullback with a bullish close last 30-minute candle. So I entered a trade at about 1789.50. Stop loss going to be pretty tight at around 1788 with a take profit of 1792. I like the 30-minute close from start of this hour at 6 o'clock, followed by a nice little push up. So we'll see how that one goes. I think it'll go pretty good. I forgot to end recording. There we go. Alright. Let me move my stop a little bit. 750, 87.50. There we go. I do feel like it'll continue up, but I don't think it'll break the top end of the range today just because it's bad day to get to. So, see how that one goes. So I'm just answering a few emails right now. Give me a second. I got a like on the stream. Nice. That hour still looks good though. I like that 5 o'clock push and 6 o'clock. Thought it would continue though. Thought wrong. Ooh, that 5 minute doesn't look good. But it is a 5 minute, doesn't say much. Silver is alright. I don't think I'm gonna trade it no more. Even look at it. Just exit that. There we go. Euro USD. Euro USD yesterday had such a nice drop. Right to the bottom of the support. That was beautiful. Yeah, everything looks pretty good. I mean, nah, USD CAD's choppy, never mind. Pound Japan, that looks good though. I think that might pop up a little bit. This one's coming down hard. Guess we just gotta wait. You know, if this one finishes green, like the 15 minute, I feel like we're gonna get a impulsive buy at 7 o'clock, but doesn't look like that so far. Close, I'll tell you that much. It's almost hidden. Wow, that was just playing games with me, eh? This is a 50. There we go. It was so close. It still might hit though. Wow. This one's just playing games with me now, holy. I'd be like a 20 pip loss if I lost on the trade. Look how close that stop was. There's no way. I do feel like at 7 it'll go up though. But you know, usually on Fed day it is kind of choppy like this. Oh, so close. So close. There it is right there. Alright, so the stop was hit. It sold off quite a bit from when we entered. But we closed it, managed risk, and we'll wait for the next trade. That sucks. Okay, this is what it is though. It happens. I mean, that was a tough trade. I think I woke up late. If I was up a little bit earlier, 87 to like 90 was a good area. 30 pips, but what can you do, right? What can you do? I'll wait for the next trade. I think it'll be a good one too. Maybe it'll be NASDAQ, maybe it'll be another gold one. I think gold's gonna pop up at 7. Just gotta wait for it now, you know? Fed day is quite choppy. That's what I've like noticed. Like look, it pumped all the way back up. It's crazy. That's a 30-minute look. Yeah, that's a filthy looking 30-minute candle. But if 7 o'clock opens down a bit and starts reversing, I think I might give the long another try, but I think that'll be the only way I'll give the long another try. No other way for me to give it a try. So, gotta sit on my hands for a bit, wait for that move to set up and execute that way, but I won't be entering like right away here.
Turn and feel the wind.
I still think it has a chance to pop up. As for when, I couldn't tell you, but I think if it goes down and then, you know, breaks the highs like we've been talking about, when there's bullish momentum, then there's a good chance to enter.
Cause your breath is warm, your heart is thunder, pulsing underlining.
But as of right now, it looks pretty weak. So there's no point chasing it or entering on an impulse. Basically, it's just about waiting right now.
Something's reaching through me, and the world shifts into gear. So clear, so clear. And if I can wake up now, but I don't know how. Cause your eyes, they shine so stormy gray like mine and pull me under. Cause your breath is warm, your heart is thunder, pulsing underlining. I must be stronger. Be stronger, must be stronger for you. I must be And I feel something, and I'm watching life unfold.
Got like 5 more minutes before it closes. I think the close will be really important for how it opens next hour. I see next hour kind of pushed out a little bit before going up, but we'll have to wait. See. Damn, I'm so tired. I got such a good sleep.
I must be stronger, I must be stronger, I must be stronger for you. I must be stronger, I must be stronger, I must be stronger for you. I must be stronger, I must be stronger, I must be stronger for you. I must be stronger, I must be stronger, I must be stronger for you.
Yeah, I kind of stalled out here. Eh? No real move or anything. Except Pound Japan, Pound GJ fucking. That's a nice ass rip. That's like a good 10 pipper right there. 10 pipper. It's gonna be a patience thing right now. I don't think I'm gonna take a trade early on into 7 o'clock. I'm probably gonna wait for some formation to happen or volume to come in a little bit. Kind of get an idea of which direction it could head. Because the open's really gonna be key to see where the orders are going, where the orders can go. Like if it opens and starts pushing down, that's a really good indication that near the end of the hour it could push up. Because there's no upper wick or anything. But if it starts going up right away on impulsive buys, then kind of be hesitant. It's more of a wait and see type approach. Nothing. Let's see how everything closed. I think that'll be a good one. 4 hours, alright. 1 hour. Nice little wick on top. 30-minute close pretty red. 15-minute close alright. But we'll wait a little bit. Kind of wait for that bullish momentum to kick in. Tempting. It's tempting, Andrew. Should I give it another chance? I should, shouldn't I? Sticking with the analysis, I'm giving this trade another chance. I got in at 1788.50. Stop loss at 1787 below the 15-minute. Take profit's going to be 1790.5. Just get the 20 pips back. I feel like with the 7 o'clock pushing down and then pushing up, I feel like we're going to fill out the wick from the previous hour. So now we'll just have to wait and see for the volume to kick in. First trade lost at 20 pips. Second trade open a W of 20 pips. Break even for the day, right? That's what matters. Wow, that is pumping pretty nice right here. So close to take profit there. Wow. Just have to wait for it to continue on up. That was the type of move I was waiting for, though. Kind of figured that would happen. When we look at the hour chart, it looks pretty nice for it to test the top end of the range. Around like 1791. Even the 30-minute looks better. I think that was just a pullback, that last 30-minute candle. There's no news, it's just classic movement for the chart. Another way to put it. Ooh, almost a take profit. That'll be nice. Be really nice. Oh, so close. Boom, there it is. Take profit was hit right here. That wick fill happened. We're going to leave the runner to break even and hold it until the top end of the range. That's good. 2 trades. Wow, it hit it and then fucking just crashed after. It's crazy, just a straight wick fill and then it hit like all the way down. That's insane. That's actually insane. But you know, we're like a little bit of a loss there because the runner got hit at stop loss too from the first trade, but it ain't too bad. Alright, well, damn, that got hit at break even. Runner's out at break even. Thought we can go to the top end, but fuck, didn't. Damn, look at that big ass liquidity wick. Holy. That was nuts. That volatility right now is nuts. But I mean, like, Fed Day usually gets shit like this where it's just like up and down, no real direction or anything. I think this is still gonna pump up, but you know the runner got out at break even, so it doesn't even matter. Honestly, I don't think we're gonna get another move for gold. It's just so choppy and rangy right now.
A night train, midnight, bags gathered round my feet, possessions, some lessons to carry with me, heavy, soothing, like a gentle symphony. I rest my head right back up on my seat. It's hard and cold though. The best thing for me, this train is moving, but my heart is stationary. Seasons change, shining, it won't be the same. I'm hoping I won't stay the same. Reason is strange, why we always play these games. I left it with you, a note that was discreet. I made
Ooh,
sure
it's dropping down pretty hard right now.
upon the cellar door is hanging, hoping, will you read it while I weep? Last time, it flickers through me, so vivid, it rushes from my head down to my feet. We're laughing, joking, through a dice to my defeat. Seasons change, it'll never be the same. I'm hoping I won't stay the same. Reason strange,
I might have to pull up NASDAQ soon here. That's so fucking funny, holy. Wow, gold's just fucking tanking right now, holy. I'll be right back. Like a minute. Actually, a few minutes. Turn on the music. Okay, I'll be right back.
I'd like to run away from you, but if you never found me, I would die. I'd like to break the chains you put around me, but I know I never will. You stay away and all I do is wonder why the hell I wait for you. But when did common sense prevail for lovers when we knew it never will? You never treat me
Alright, I'm back. Sorry about that. Let's get some stuff ready. Damn, gold tanked. What the fuck? What the fuck? Yeah, it's so choppy right now. I think I'm done with that one. What else is there? Pound Jap, USD CAD, US 100. Probably have to keep it on this right now. How's the daily look? Daily, hourly looks pretty good, but like, yeah, that 15-minute depends how that 15-minute closes, but I think it could pop up even more. Holy, that looks like it has a lot of volume going towards the upside. You know, markets go up when there's a war. It's gonna be a war soon. No, I'm kidding. The Taliban takeover and all the other bullshit that's happening. It's fucking wild.
It's easy to be a traveler when you're
Wow, it's pumping right now. Holy. I think we gotta wait though.
in the sky, then talking face to face. View through aircraft windows from a distance that is safe. Framed by cotton candy clouds, the world's a lovely place. You care not for my people buried underground. You just glued to my eyes.
But yeah, I think we got like 12 minutes before it closes.
Just wanna
So we
see
gotta wait
your
for that thing.
face, shaking it round. The same in every singles bar, in every single town. This could be the place you'll never have to leave. Checking is a
Yeah, I can see the price of gold right now. It's like 85. It's just consolidating around that area.
the sound and smell of something new to get your head around. No history, no failures, a new face on the scene. The endless possibilities to realize your dreams. Freedom fighters, everywhere's a prison. Every place is a trap. Every town is a rabbit warren where otherweight playboys rap their inadequacy in dollar bills and push it down your back. Make the client buy another drink and make the party last.
Look at the volatility on that candlestick, hey? The 15 pops up and down.
Allowed to dance.
10 pips like it's
I'm just a
nothing.
bedroom ornament, erotic furniture. But don't start building your home around me. Stop it with these walls. I don't have a home, didn't I tell you? I was just being nice so you tip me. Jesus Christ, what is it with you guys? I just want a place I'll never have to leave.
look at that fucking wick on that candle. Holy. How's gold look? Gold looks alright too. I'm gonna keep it on NASDAQ. I'll be right back again. Get some food.
Just my own country, a place where I can finally be free, where no one wants to build the world around me. The independent republic, independent republic of me. Republic of me. Of me.
Searching for a destiny that's mine. There's another place, another time. Touching many hearts along the way, yeah. Hoping that I'll never have to say it's just an illusion. 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 Follow your emotions anywhere. Cause it's building magic in the air. Never let your feelings get you down. Open up your eyes and look around. It's just an illusion. 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 It's just an illusion. All this confusion. It's just an illusion. It's just an illusion. All this confusion. It's just an illusion. Could it be a picture in my mind? Never sure exactly what I'll find. Only in my dreams I'll turn you on. Here for just a moment, then you're gone. It's just an illusion. 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 It's just an illusion. And all this confusion. It's just an illusion.
And I'm back. Holy fuck, hey, NASDAQ? NASDAQ. It's gonna pop up even more, hey? I think its direction is going to be bullish for today. But we'll have to wait for it and see what it does. But if I were to put money on it, which is what trading is really, I think it's going to go up. Kind of pulling back for these last 5 minutes on the 50. Yeah, I think we gotta wait and see how it closes. That'll be the real key. Gold is so choppy right now. Yeah, look at that. That's so fucked up. Well, there's FOMC meeting minutes, so that'll be a big thing. Yeah, everything is just nasty today. What's going on? You gotta trade some Bitcoin. How's US 30 looking? Kind of bullish. Yeah. We'll wait. Patience. We got Chad coming back, so I'm gonna invite him on the stream again. Oh shit. Share screen, done. There we go. Should be working now.
What's good, buddy?
Yo, what up? How you doing?
Good. How about yourself?
Pretty good. Here, let me turn you up. Kind of quiet.
Am I? Maybe I'm just.
System resources, but
Maybe I'm just a quiet person, man.
should be working.
Like that woman that you sent me as a post.
No. Yeah, I think it's working now. Never mind. Yo, it's been volatile this morning. Been crazy.
Yeah, how's gold?
Up and down. I was long both trades. I was
Yeah.
long like right here. Got stopped out for 20 pips. Then I was long at 88.50. Got 20 pips, but it's like a small loss because you know how the runner hit. My runner hit
Yeah,
break
that's
even, and the runner
fine.
hit stop loss too. So it's like a runner.
So the runner, so basically, uh, was that 20%? Was the runner 20% of your main position?
Yeah, so it's not a big one, but it's still.
Yeah.
I mean, 2 longs, and that's it. I'm waiting for Nasdaq. I feel like it's gonna pop, but
Yeah, it's iffy, man. It's iffy. I was just like, when you look at Nasdaq, you look at 3 hour,
yeah.
like,
180 second. I don't have the 3 hour on this thing.
yeah, it's just. I wonder if I can draw on your screen.
Yeah, you can. Pretty sure.
Yeah. So like, right here, it would be a liquidity grab to go down. Like overall, like if it's choppy, we already had this was what is it? The Jap. Yeah, the Jap session.
Mhm.
We had a huge push down, and then London we didn't do really anything. Not right.
Nah, we didn't do anything. Well, no, London was a push down.
Actually, no, never mind. That's from yes.
Yeah, this is the yesterday's move, and then this is like London,
That's
kind of
right,
that push
yeah.
down.
That's kind of choppy, so never mind. But yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be tough, man. We'll see what happens with this one.
Yeah.
But the 30-minute close is pretty bullish, and
Yeah, it really depends on how it closes. I totally agree with you.
yeah, I was tempted on entering a long, but I was just like waiting because it just like pumped up impulsively right away. So I was like, nah. Because then, yeah, look at that, the wick forms, and if it rejects that whole area, you know what usually happens. Shit just like crashes.
Yeah. What is that? Oh, that's a 15-minute? Okay, yeah. No way. Like right now, for me, anyways, on my chart, is that maybe go an hour. You can. Hour and 2 hour are very similar.
Yeah.
But you have kind of like here, and then like, what's the bottom line? Something like this.
Yeah, I see that.
So like this is like I would say like what Raja would say is like no trade zone. So I'm probably waiting for it to break up higher, because then your next level is probably here, and that's how much? That's 40 pips. And then if it breaks down, you got like this area here, which is what, like 50 pips.
Yeah,
So that's where we're getting our 20 pips up here or down here. But like right now, it's just like
no trade zone.
London, Japanese session markets went up. London, it kind of pushed it down. Well, actually, it pushed it down and then pushed it back up.
Yeah.
And then New York session, it's just like, maybe you're right. Maybe everyone's just kind of waiting for the minutes. But let's be honest, we all know that the Fed's not going to freaking. I don't care what they sound like they're going to say. Like, if it's going to be, oh, we're going to, start raising interest rates. It's not going to be today.
That's true.
Employment hasn't recovered 100%.
No, it hasn't. Definitely not. The other thing is, what I've noticed with like the interest rate, because there's the FOMC meeting minutes later today, right?
At 12, yeah.
Usually before then, it kind of just like ranges. That's what I've noticed on gold. I don't know if it does the same thing on Nasdaq. I haven't really backtested that, but it's choppy until like the announcement comes or whatever. It might have like that one move though, where you could see it like break above or below that range that you drew in.
Yeah. But yeah, I mean, I'm
not rushing it. I mean,
no point, man. No point.
Yeah.
No point.
Well, yeah.
Because I realized something too. You know how I sent you the picture of like the progress I need. It's like attainable, and it's like it would take about a year and a half.
Yeah.
But I just realized one down day is already like, yeah, it delays you, because one down day basically means that you spent 2 days.
Yeah,
to recover
exactly. That's why, like,
So it's not worth it. Like risk managing it. So instead of maybe losing 20 pips or 20 points, I'd rather just lose 10, because then at least it takes me half a day. Hypothetically speaking.
yeah, or like one runner to pop covers the 10
Yeah,
pips plus
exactly.
more. So
Exactly. But yeah, man, like, yeah, 20 days till the next level, or I should say 19 days at this rate. But maybe this is it. We're getting the liquidity.
yeah,
Push
I
here.
still want to wait and see how 8 o'clock opens, to be honest.
Oh yeah,
even-
never chase. We want to see how this is. The 15-minute doesn't really have a lower wick.
Nah, but usually 15 minutes don't really have to have a lower wick. That's what I found out. It's usually like the 30 and the hour where it needs the liquidity you grab. 15
That's
minutes,
true.
like, fuck, whatever. But yeah, you're right. That 15-minute right here.
Is like the 5 does, the 10 does, 15 doesn't, 20 does, 30 obviously, hour does. So yeah, it'd be really nice if it pushes up and then we get a close like right up here.
Yeah, I could see that.
And then it'll
sorry.
be like it creates like I'll clear it out, it doesn't matter. But then it's like a wick there, touches this again, start off the hour, and then yeah, I like my TP is gonna be like probably like roughly this area. I think would be good.
Yeah, I think that
have,
area.
like,
Well,
we
even
have-
20 pips, like I'd go from like 40 to 60 would be like a good move or something.
Oh yeah, I'm still going, yeah, but like we have these wicks right here. I'm just thinking, okay, well, if that happens and stuff, like, yeah, this would be, I think, my zone to take profits at 71.
Yeah, that'd be a good zone, right where you got all that
Yeah.
traffic going across.
Yeah, so we'll see.
I think it's gonna be a waiting game, man. Patience. I think, like you were saying a little bit earlier, when you're like one losing day, it's gonna be 2 days. But like if you're patient and if you have the probabilities on your side, you want to have like 80% profitable days.
Yeah,
Still
man.
having, like, that one, or even 90%. But you just gotta like be patient and wait for that trade to come through.
I was watching Roger and stuff like last night while I was studying. Like, fuck. Like, yeah, man. That guy's killer with the gold. Like, he got gold longs, and then the shorts, man. Like, killed it with the shorts on pound jab.
Yeah, I saw those shorts. Everyone had those. Everyone who follows this like shorting pound jab.
Yeah, it was fucking beautiful, man.
Yesterday
It was just beautiful. And I was just looking, like, while he was in the trade, I was just looking at the charts to see how it turned out.
Yeah.
Before actually watching it come. But yeah, it's just you, bro.
It is. The way they trade is like pretty simple and works beautifully.
It almost looks like the 3-hour liquidity grab was BS, because we can close above this zone, which it looks like we're doing. It's clean traffic, man, up until 80.
Yeah, that would be like nice clean
If you
move
go
all
on
the way
the
up.
3-hour right oh, is that 3-hour?
Yeah, that's a 3-hour up right now.
No, I'm not tripping. Sorry, give me 1 second. So yeah, the 80 area is the 80 area. So like this. But yeah, I'll be out at 70.
Yeah, I think so. I think like
I'll be out at 70.
60 to 70 is a good take profit area. I just want to see how the 8 o'clock opens because I want that
Beautiful.
lower wick. There's like 5
Yeah.
minutes.
Not gonna enter. It was interesting too because like when I was
Ooh,
looking
it's
when
pumping.
he was trading too pound jab, he didn't enter on the wick. I was like, oh, there we go. That's what we wanted. Just hoping it stays. But yeah, I was surprised he didn't enter on the wick going down, but this he got confirmation. It made like with the candle and how it closed, it made a lower low.
Yeah.
And I'm just thinking like because he risk managed, which is like really good at, right? But he risk managed where like from a 50 lot, he went down to a 6 lot.
Damn.
So
man.
basically, the 6 lot that he did make money paid for the commission of a 50 lot trade.
That's a fucking fat size position right there.
Yeah. I'm just saying if he like entered like on the wick, because he got confirmation from the prior candlestick and like this is what he wanted. That green candlestick going up was the wick, right?
Yeah.
Well, I mean turn. And then I was just wondering, could he enter like 25 on the wick and then 25 when it flipped?
Yeah, you could do it that way too. I mean, once you get the wick, you could enter there, and then confirmation, you could enter there too.
Yeah.
When
Maybe
it, like,
it's different
flipped.
with pound jab, but like yeah, for Nasdaq and stuff, like wick entries are like very important.
Yeah, I feel like Nasdaq to get like a better risk reward, you need the wick entries, and it's like then you have a better stop loss and an easier TP. I figured, but
Yeah.
it's I feel
Beautiful 4 hour, honestly. 4 hour close if it stays here, beautiful. Like because if you look at the 4 hour,
oh yeah, that's
like
nice.
it's very beautiful. Here, let me clear my drawing.
No, that's nice. That's gonna be 8 o'clock, and then you might get a lower wick and then pop up. But
I hope so, man. I hope it taps 20.
yeah, I think we're just gonna have to wait and see. 30-minute looks good. 15 looks pretty good.
Let's go. Let's go.
A couple more minutes though.
It's okay.
But I think the key is gonna be that lower wick, and if it does do that, then there's like 2 points where we could enter. We could enter on the lower wick, or we could enter on the flip, or we do both. Maybe do half lower wick and then half on the confirmation.
Yeah.
It depends where it closes though.
Well, all my charts are gonna start on a new candle soon. Let's look at the 1 hour. The 4 hour, at least it made a new higher high. It grabbed liquidity, obviously.
Yeah.
In this 970s area. Now at the 30 area, we'll see. But yeah, I like that. There's orders up there. There's orders down. I'll just see.
I said check out 3 hour with gold. I never checked out the 3 hour with gold.
Yeah. I don't even know why I started 3 hours. Oh, because it's part of it's 12 hours or 24 is divisible by 3. That's
Oh yeah, you
it.
had that whole strat with the whatever
Yeah.
is divisible.
Yeah.
Yeah, this hour's closing pretty nice.
Yeah. Yeah. Just how we like it. Where would be a good stop? I think a good stop would be like from Black Bull, I'm gonna say 95.
Yeah, like down in that area, right?
95, yeah. On the 5 minute using the 5 minute candlestick.
Yeah. So around that area down here. That'd be
Yeah.
a pretty good one.
Yeah. Yeah.
So everything closed. Everything closed pretty bullish. It's a 27.
Why is it 0.8? Yes, there we go.
That's nice right there.
Yeah. Where you enter?
Dude, to be honest, I want to enter on the flip. That's what I do want to enter, but like you're right. Like if I do enter on the wick, then the risk reward's a lot better.
There
I'm
we
just
go.
waiting.
I entered.
Oh, you entered now? Nice.
Yeah, 20 is like around my area. Risking 25 pips for this trade
Let
for
me draw it
20.
for
I
you.
know it's not perfect, but it just basically tapped the other area.
That's true, actually. I might enter with you here.
And then I'm gonna put the stop here.
Yeah, I got in at 24.
Nice. There we go.
Put it at 24. I might put like another position when it flips green.
So yeah, my basically with the ask, I got 15021.
15021. Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. I punched in when the ask was like 24.
95. And the stop is 14995. And
5. Wants to take profit.
I need to change the how does he look at his thing as terms of deposit as points?
What do you mean?
He looks as his as points. Like
Oh, I think it's MetaTrader 5. Actually, maybe it might be MetaTrader 4.
yeah. Actually, I kind of adjusted the stop here. It's gonna be a little bit more to below the 15-minute candlestick,
Okay.
which is still the same. Which
It's
is
like
like
90, yeah.
yeah, so it's not too bad. If we're gonna get carried on here,
Yeah, that's what I'm
we'll
thinking.
see.
I'm just waiting. I entered half my position, and then I'm gonna get
That's
half on the
good.
flip. Because like half is just for the pay to play, and then half with the
Yeah.
confirmation. I think.
It's fine. The points and the profits is the same because it's just one unit. But I think it'll be easier if it's like if you have multiple units. You know what I'm trying
Yeah.
to say?
Yeah, I know what you mean. Do you want a recording of this for Instagram?
Whatever you want, bro.
No, I already got my gold ones. I just gotta edit the
Yeah.
videos later. Whenever you want it, it's pretty easy. You just hit like record on Streamlabs OBS, talk about your
Oh, okay.
trade, and then just unrecord. And then once it hits TP or stop loss, then you re-record. Just say what happened.
I gotcha. All right, let's see. Let's see if I'm gonna get stopped out.
Yeah, that was one thing I was worried about is that FOMC meeting minutes is like this during the day.
Mm-hmm.
But just conventional charting, what I always use, my new term now. It's bullish.
Conventional. Yeah.
Because you got the bullish green candle. So this one should be green too.
As a push up with liquidity.
Yeah.
Now we'll see. We'll see. We're like 11 pips away. Like part of me is like, you mean average down? Like part of me wants to right now.
Yeah, fair. I stopped averaging down.
Yeah,
It
I know.
killed
Like
me.
part of me like is right now. If this is the wick,
Yeah.
this would like improve our entry point. Well, not entry point, but this will improve our price
Oh yeah,
quite a bit.
100%. I mean, you could. There's nothing wrong with that, obviously, but just from my experience and my old self telling me
Yeah,
the
it
50-50
should.
with averaging down's been hurting me. So,
Yeah,
but you're
Yeah.
right though. Like if it doesn't break below 90, then it's a good average down for sure.
I mean, the thing is though, if I had was like you and I used half a unit, yeah, I would average down because I'm still
Yeah.
trading within my 1 unit type of sizing, right? Which
Yeah.
I don't think I'm breaking any rules, right?
No.
If anything, I'm risk managing, I think, a lot better, but I obviously didn't. So it is what it is.
That's true.
I think I'm gonna start doing that as like I'm gonna do maybe if it's like kind of like this setup where it's
Mhm.
like we're in like a range and you just see a breakout to go enter on the wick at half at where I think it is, which for me was 20, and then right now enter another half. So then my average price is at 15. So then at the end of the day, it would have just been if my stop's at 95, still would have been just 20 pips.
Yeah, that's true. I remember you were doing that before, you were like, you would go like 20%, 30%, and then like 50% down here.
Yeah.
Because then like
I mean, it's good and bad for the fact that like weapons are just shot up. You know what I mean?
that's so true.
Right. So it's just, yeah, no, that would have been a good place to enter the half where we were at, like at 9 something.
Yeah,
Just see if it
fuck. I should
pushes
have
up.
entered that other half there, but yeah, fuck it. I'll wait. Nothing wrong with waiting.
Yeah.
Yeah, if this hits, take profit. What's your take profit? You have it 70, you said?
Uh,
Or you have it
well,
lower?
no, it'll be at 40, 40, 41
41, hey?
is when I'll punch out. But I mean, like the next like zone, if this actually does push up, then yeah,
Between 60 and 70 is what I'm thinking. Or
yeah.
like the next zone. But yeah, for the core position, probably like 45 for me.
I like, yeah, I think like that right at, if you look, where's the price at? Yeah, right at 67. Because if you look at on the hour chart, those two wicks that I drew earlier,
Yeah, I remember that.
right there at 67, that's probably where I would say would be like, again, it's this and it's this.
Yeah, I give that between like 15,060 to 15,070, like between that area, the $10 right there.
Yeah.
That's the area. But that's where you get like
And if,
half your runner out, right?
yeah. Oh, I'll get 80%. I'm still not good with runners.
Yeah, I'm
And
still working on mine too, man. Don't worry.
yeah.
I don't know
So
how Raja does it, but Raja's had like I was like, I remember last year he was talking about runners in one of his stories. He was saying for like the first 3, 4 years, he didn't have runners ever. He was
yeah,
just
so he's
focusing
already
on 10
sped up
pips.
our learning curve by like quite a bit. You
Yeah,
know what
he
I mean?
really did.
Fuck, man. I really want to, if this flips bullish, I really want to enter another one, but I got some in my hands.
I mean, you can enter like half because then your stop loss could be below the 15-minute, which would be like 15,000. Yeah, 15,000 rounded.
That's true. That's true. That's true.
And then what your risk? Well, that's still like 20 pips. Never mind.
Yeah.
Might be a little bit
No,
more.
ideally speaking, yeah. I think with ranges, maybe just go 50% and then on the wick entry. And then
Yeah.
after that, enter another 50 when it flips. Or, if it goes down below my initial entry.
Yeah. And you enter another 50.
Yeah. Well, luckily, we still have time on the clock. We still have about 50 minutes left, 51 minutes for this to kind of develop. But, as we run out of time, that's when you're like, you try to risk manage more.
Yeah, but you're right though about the 15 minutes because even when I'm trading gold at like 6 and I'm waiting for the flip, I usually give it till the end of the hour. And by
Yeah.
like, let's say the end of the hour, it doesn't flip or do anything, I'm like out,
Yeah.
because then it's just kind of consolidating or ranging at that point. So
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll be right back real quick. I gotta do something
Sure.
in like a minute.
Okay. I feel like I need to risk manage this better. 10 minutes. Yeah. I'm not a risk manager. I'm just, or not. No, it's risk manager. So I'm going to get out half because my entry point was poor. So I got rid of half, and we'll see how we're gonna do this here. But yeah, took a $2 loss and down 7 pips. But I just want to risk manage it because I obviously should have entered half a position and entered on the wick would have given me a better price. Instead of risking $27, which I was, now I'm risking. Before I was risking about $27 for that whole one lot trade. Now I'm risking $14 plus I already just took a $2 loss. So I've just basically decreased my risk. Honestly, like we've been talking earlier in this stream, that it's important to manage risk. And then really profits are second, but managing risk is most important because I made kind of like a not a strategy, but more like kind of targets for myself where I trade with one lot and I get 50 can make 50% on the small account of $800 up to 1,200. That's a $400 difference, and just by trading one lot 20 points. 20 points would be a successful day would be $20, but obviously an unsuccessful day would be minus $20 as well. Where right now, like you can see, we'll see how this closes and stuff like that. Reason why I wanted to reduce risk is now I was risking 27 pips, which means then I'm losing $27 with just 2 days worth of trading, which doesn't make sense. So that just puts me back on the puts me on the burner type of deal. I think with this trade, if we're going to review this, I think it was poor entry. Let's start with that. Poor entry. But with that being said, should have entered, especially in this ranging choppy market with the minutes coming up, should have had a half a unit where I wanted to at 20. I don't regret entering at that point, but I shouldn't have made that the predominant entry point. I should have split 50, and then if I had entered kind of at the 9 area here, right now my average price, or at the close to the 1500 area, right? My average price would be around 15, 14, about 10, 11, 12, let's just say. Right now it'd be easier to hold on to this trade type of deal. But yeah, it's just really trying to manage risk. We're in the profits now, so that's always a good thing. If this goes up, we'll make $10. And like I said, the main thing is to slowly, incrementally try to get up to my target of $400 on an $800 account, which will be a 50% return. Which then I'll be like, okay, I've shown some results. I'm gonna put another $1,200 in, so I'll double the amount, and then I'm gonna increase it to 2 lots, making a successful day $40, right? So it's just really kind of back and forth. Hey, sorry.
No, it's all good.
You know how so basically I was telling everyone that
I was listening. It was great. The story. But keep going the fucking
yeah, so kind of so then once I make 50% up $400, then I'm gonna put $1,200 in, so my account will be $2,400. Try and make 50% of that. It'll take about, at this level, 30 days, making $40 for a successful day. And then, yeah, really, the sky's the limit at that point, because, frick, man, the day when we can hit $1,000 a day with a $109,000 account will be the day. Like, honest to God. So,
it's only like 2 hours of work, too, really.
2 hours of work, right?
But then you got like then you got the rest of the day to invest or like use hedge eye for stocks or different projects or different side projects you want to do. Literally freedom.
Whatever. Freedom 55. But yeah, no, I just you probably heard. Yeah, I basically I didn't like my entry point. I went all in on that, so I sold 50% off when I almost was break even. Just because I was risking $27, right, for that trade.
Yeah.
So that's basically, I was saying, that's more than a day's worth of work.
Yeah.
So I got rid of half the position, took a $2 loss. And if this goes up my way and stuff, $10, like I'll take the profits and shit, break even, and that's it. But yeah, like I just think that now I think it's, again, better sense that at $27 loss, that's 2 days of work. Whereas if I manage risk, I took the $2 loss, and right now my stop loss, if this does hit my stop loss, is a $14 loss. So from $27, I've reduced the risk to $16.
Yeah, that's way better.
Way better, right? Way better, so at least it's still within. If I take the loss, it's going to be a 1 day loss. But
Yo, by the way, I have a buy stop at 35.
You got a buy stop at 35, nice.
Yeah, I was just like, got hit right now. But I see what you mean. Like you reduce risk, you control it there, and then
because I didn't like my entry point. Like no, I mean the thing is I don't regret where I entered, but what I
yeah,
regretted was I should have went half a position because okay, the lows was 15.05
yeah,
or 05, let's just say, right? Let's just say I didn't get my I probably wanted to enter around like 09, 10 area.
yeah.
Then
So
my
that,
average price would be at 15. And
yeah,
now right now I would have 15 pips. I'd be up 15 pips. And what managed risk is then my loss would have been 20 pips, $20, right? And now, like right now, I could move my stop now up to 15.03 at the 15-minute lower
yeah.
wick.
That's exactly what it is. I moved
So
that just now.
then, yeah, I will have reduced my risk, same as what I'm doing right now, to $13. But I paid to play. And yeah, this thing goes to right now. I'm up. I think you're up. Yeah, I'm up about like 10 pips right now. I actually like
32.
this. I love using the points instead of looking at it.
Yeah, I mean, right now, if you had an average price of 15, you'd be up 15 pips. But at 35, you'd have your 20 pips. They can
Yeah,
just like leave a runner there,
yeah,
which makes sense.
and yeah, I mean, getting to 40 is probably a lot easier because there's already an initial wick there, right?
Hmm.
We've already been there, so that means that we're probably going to retest this area once more.
Yeah, but
Going to 70 is a different story, right?
I think we might. Look at all these orders right here.
Oh, I hope we do, right?
And
That
it,
means our analysis is right. But I mean, I'm just saying with averaging within your kind of risk parameters.
oh yeah, okay.
But
That's
yeah,
understandable.
we'll see though. But yeah, 10-minute looks good. Made a lower high or a higher low, sorry, and then made a higher high with a 10-minute candlestick.
It did. I think it just has to break that wick, and then it'll be
Yeah,
shooting up. But
yeah,
obviously, that'll come with time.
yeah, 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 yeah.
15-minute kind of stalled out. I mean, also the other thing is you see this whole rejection area at the top.
Oh yeah, it's
That's kind
tough,
of
man.
sketch.
It's
Should have
tough.
waited for the wick break, but it is what it is. You still got like half a position though, right?
Yeah, I'm moving my stop now to the where the 15-minute candlestick is. So
Yeah, yeah.
basically, that's where the like yeah. So then now my risk is $9.30 plus I took a $2 list. So you know
Oh,
what? If
nice.
I take a loss today, whatever, it's half a day's worth of work for tomorrow.
Yeah,
You know what
that
I'm trying to say?
15-minute stop loss right now is like perfect because if it
Yeah.
breaks down there, it'll
Oh,
probably
it's
head
going
lower.
down. Right.
But
Yeah. Exactly.
this thing's going up. That's what
But see,
matters.
this is the thing. I'm choked now because well, I'm not choked, but like, see, if I went half a position knowing that this is like a law of rejection area, so maybe that's a sign for us that okay, you're probably gonna see it like a wick going
Mhm.
50 or half a position first, and then if it flips bullish, great. If you miss out on it and it just keeps going up, then whatever. That's life.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
But then if you
All
do half a
right.
position, it gives you like
Oh,
different.
there we go.
There it is. My take profits at 50 because my average is like
Yeah.
29, 50, 30. So
I'm just waiting to see 20 on the screen, and I already have everything ready to go on this SL 80, and just 3.5 more pips, 5 more
sponsored by
pips.
Magic Keys. Kidding.
I wish, man.
Yeah. I mean, it did make a new high, right? So
Yeah, no, it didn't. Not yet.
yeah.
Or on Blackbull hasn't yet.
Oh yeah, Black Bull hasn't. That's weird.
Yeah. Come on, push higher, buddy.
I think for this trade to like actually develop, probably have to give it till the end of the hour.
Yeah, I would say so too. Uh, let's see.
But if it also rejects up here, then definitely gotta get out.
You mean if the 15-minute candle closes, or?
Well, no, just in general, if this whole area, even if you go to like the 30, you see this whole rejection area that's been happening for a little while.
Yeah.
So, and then
Yeah.
even the hour too, I think. When I was looking at it, yeah, the hour you reach kind of like a top here. So if it does reject that, then I'll probably just be out. But we'll see how the next like 30 goes.
Yeah.
I mean, if it closes doji, that's pretty good too, in my opinion.
Yeah. I agree. Sorry to mute myself. I just had to print something. Actually, I don't even know how to mute myself.
Yeah.
You're all gonna have to listen to it.
Damn, I accidentally muted him.
Oh wow,
There
you
you go.
muted me.
Yeah.
I'm
I was
like,
just testing
I'm
it
like,
out.
did it hit 20 pips? And it did hit 20 pips because my price was at 21 and it went. That high candlestick was 41. Yeah, I missed out.
Yeah, it hit 40, I think. 41. Yeah, 41. So
Yeah, and if it's gonna break even, I'm gonna. Yeah, it's if this breaks even, I'm gonna sell half.
yeah, a 5-minute pullback was pretty fat. I'm gonna wait till the 8 o'clock 30-minute closes, and I'll decide what to do. Damn, I really thought that hourly flip was gonna keep going.
Yeah,
I
but
believed
yeah,
it.
this. But yeah, man, no, this could have been easy trade because honestly, this did go to 35, right?
Yeah, it did.
So if because of the range, the news and stuff, okay, what Japan and London has established with us that we're in a zone.
Yeah.
So it's going to be hard to get out of this zone. Yes, we have New York, which is the biggest market in the world and stuff, but it's still going to be difficult. You know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, it's gonna be.
So like, yeah, I mean, I should have like anticipated a bigger wick or go half position and then enter a busy. Yeah, we entered. Obviously, it's easy to say hindsight right now, but yeah, that half a position, we would have been out of this trade. It's already hit 35. And I'm just wondering if this, like on the 15-minute chart, if it doesn't break and make a newer high, that 15-minute basically shows two wicks or two resistance area. If you know what I'm trying to get at.
Yeah, the one like at 7:45, 15-minute, and then this
Yeah.
15-minute showing the
Yeah.
upper wicks. Yep.
Yeah.
We'll
Yeah.
see how like the body close. That's why I wanted to give it to like 8:30 and kind of gauge it from there. But you're right, it's struggling to break past pretty fucking hard. It's just like bouncing up and down.
Yeah, I'm gonna close 0.3 of my position if it goes back to break even.
Okay.
Just because, yeah, I want to manage this risk. Like, this is tough.
Yeah, I mean, if you could hold it to like a $2 loss or like 5, that's pretty good.
Yeah. So 5-minute close bearish made a lower low, but 5-minute is very, very small of a time frame, so it doesn't really matter.
Yeah, so I gotta wait a bit here.
20-minute
Going 30.
made 20-minute couldn't make the lower high, unfortunately. Or a higher high, sorry. 20-minute chart. 30-minute, we got about 5 more minutes for that to close.
Your 10-minute looks nice.
Yeah, 10-minute looks nice.
But yeah, I think
But
wait for
if
this.
30-minute closes, it's going to be iffy too, because basically it's almost like the 15-minute,
Yeah, it is.
a double top.
kind of just has that huge wick rejection there. And like
Yeah.
in order for it to go up to like 60 levels, you probably needed to break those wicks.
Yeah.
Which at this
You,
point,
I,
if the 30-minute
I
doesn't
think you
close,
would have wanted the 30-minute to break it.
yeah, you wanted the 30-minute to break it, but it really hasn't. Like TradingView, it says it broke it, but Blackpool, it didn't break it. Which is
Yeah.
weird.
Yeah, it's having a tough time here.
Yeah, this is like, I swear, every time before FOMC meeting minutes or Fed news or whatever it is on the Wednesday, it's always like this, man. I swear.
Yeah. Maybe they didn't want to take a big position, like firms and stuff. You know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, that makes sense. Try not loading up before it gets there. Oh shit, this thing fucking tanked, eh? Not bad.
Okay, I closed half.
Okay.
So what's my risk now? I'm gonna move it up below the 10-minute candle, below the 10-minute candlestick, the prior one. Okay, so great. I made 37 cents on that break even. So let's just see. There's one thing though, bro, is that if 15-minute closes, that's bearish as heck.
Yeah, it's really bearish right now.
And then 30 minutes just confirms the rejection.
That is true, especially the way it's moving right now. I'm gonna
Yeah.
get out half. Oh, yeah. You're right. So I got out half.
Yeah, I only have 0.2, so only 20% of the original position. Down 5 pips right now. And let's see how this closes. Oh, geez, doesn't look good.
Yep, that does not look good at all. I think I
10
punched
pips.
out the rest.
Yeah, I'm gonna punch out too. All right. It is. Yeah, it is what it is. I
Yeah,
lost
that's
$3.77.
it's a Fed trading day, bro. I swear. Like that's
Yeah.
how.
The entry points, I swear I feel like that's what like fucked me over. I only should have went half a position.
Yeah, but you controlled it pretty good though.
If I can build these habits at a small account and build it up type of deal, like dude, yeah. Because I'm just thinking too though, it's like it's nice to see on this graph. It's like, oh yeah, when you have $164,000 account, you're gonna be trading with a 75 lot, risking 1%, right?
Yeah.
But I mean, fuck, man, that's someone's basically bi-weekly check.
Yeah.
That you can win and lose in 10-15 minutes.
It's true, man. It's true. That's like that's why we play the game, but it's true. Like a bi-weekly check, you can make it or you can lose it. But if you could control that loss to like what you made today to like what is it, 10%?
So instead of
max?
losing, yeah. So I basically lost 18.85% of
the max, right?
Of my typical like full stop.
Yeah.
So on $1,500, that's about 282, which is not bad.
It's good habit because 282 compared to like 1,500 or whatever you had right now is a huge. If you have an 18.5% of your max loss for managing your risk, that is a good trade.
Yeah. And I mean, just halving your sizes and stuff too. I mean, maybe I'm gonna probably get it. Like the thing is though, we have to freaking get MT5 to use Magic Key, but I'm pretty sure Blackpool supports it. It's MT4 and MT5.
Yeah,
right?
it's MT4 and MT5. You can use both.
Yeah, I might have to invest in a Magic Key just for the fact that
managing everything.
Maybe, yeah, just manage everything. It's like so I don't have to trade with the mouse and keyboard. Just press buttons and stuff like that. But you're completely out, right?
Yeah, I got out. I mean, I got out at like 20 and then 15 all out because like when it was going down, and now with the 30-minute close and that rejection and this 30-minute open with no lower wick, I think it's gonna probably range until Fed minutes. Yeah, I think it's gonna range until Fed minutes. So it's probably gonna head back down to like 15
to like 86. Yeah. And honestly, now we've had the indication like if we didn't initially, like, obviously I'm not trading anymore, but if we didn't take the first trade,
Yeah.
right, this would be actually like the 30-minute would have been a perfect setup
Oh yeah, 100%.
for a short right now.
100%. Because
Like short around here, 50%, and maybe 50% at like 34, and then see. But if it goes all the way up, then it is what it is. You know?
at this point, though, I'd personally, because let's say you did the no lower wick happens and it just
Yeah.
continues to shoot up, but what that's like rare sight to see.
Yeah.
Then you'd be kind of actually no, because then you'd have a 10 pip stop.
Yeah,
That's
your
not too
stop would
bad.
just be above those candlesticks.
Yeah, that ain't too bad actually. Even if you enter now, it'd be like 10 pips. I'm not entering now. I think I'm done.
Oh no, yeah, but
It's
like yeah, my
choppy.
stop would probably be at 43, risking about 15 pips right now, and then honestly, you could easily get 20 pips. It just has to go back to the 1500 area. That's it.
Yeah, I think it will, just for the fact that this 30-minute no lower wick and last 30-minute close and just the way it's forming with this whole rejection up here. That looks
Yeah.
good, but it is what it is.
Yeah, I mean, this is our basically paper trade and breaking down.
Yeah, pretty much. Like if we had to do a paper trade right now or like a second trade, that'd be it.
Yeah, I would
Shit,
short
anything like
right
that.
now and then see if we could get 20 pips type of deal. But
Yeah, exactly. But I mean, it
fire,
happens, right?
fire, I tell you. But yeah,
I
man.
feel like
fuck, I got-
yeah, fair. I
Sorry, go
was gonna
ahead.
say one last thing. I feel like on a regular day without Fed minutes, then this would have
shot up easily.
But considering the fact that most people don't want to trade pre-news or like during the day before Fed minutes, I've seen it like every time it happens, it always
Yeah.
just like ranges.
Yeah, and that's two big countries, Japan
Yeah,
and London markets.
That was
Both like
raging.
like hasn't created any. Because look at what happened the day before and the yesterday and the day before that. Is that there was a lot of movements up and down.
yeah, that's like London right here,
Yeah,
and then right here is I think that was in London, but this is Asian session right here. Into
Yeah,
London, you have the down move. And
Asian
then
session. Yeah, Asian session had the down move, and then New York continued it. London continued it, and then it went back all the way up in New York.
mhm,
And then Asian session down, and then down on the 17th. London session down, but then today is just like
ranging.
yeah, which is fine. It's whatever.
Yeah, I mean, it happens. But all right, you gotta go too.
Yeah, I gotta get ready for work. I have a meeting at 10, so
Sounds
be late for
good.
that.
Good luck for the meeting, man. I'll end the stream.
All right, thanks, brother. All right, okay, good stream. Talk to you later.
Talk to you later, man.
Peace.
Well, that was a good trading day. I mean, it was choppy. I think I called it right when I got onto stream that with the Fed news, it'll be a bit rangy today, a little bit choppy, which it was, and it's fine. It happens. But you know, first loss after streaming, you know, over 2 weeks. So